Welcome to the House Bowling Extras. I am producer Matt. Today we're bringing you a little bit of behind the scenes content from the PBA Elite League round 11. Nothing fancy here, just some footage we had sitting in the can that we wanted to bring you guys. Packy and the Kingpins clinched a playoff berth last week. However, they want to keep winning, make sure they get that #1 seed for the playoffs in Portland.
Round 12 this weekend. Make sure you pick your favorite team and cheer them along.
You have to press the teeth down.
Ah. Oh. Yeah, I lost.
Just a little bit about the format and work tonight. We're playing 2 advanced players to lose.
I would say good luck. Feeling good. The lab's going to be Richie, Barnes, BJ, Marshall, me. They believe in me.
Okay.
Biggest cheerleader right here, baby.
Heck yeah, heck
Biggest
yeah.
Quick reminder, guys, we got a promotion going on right now at thehousebowling.com. Code WSOB at checkout gets you 10% off anything in the shop.
That's the funny thing about bowling. Like, if you miss at different times than the other teams, it works out in your favor. Unfortunately, that game we missed, and they were all spread out across the game, so it didn't quite work out for us. But we bowled well. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Good news is we're still going to Portland, so we're good. We just got to win on TBSB, hopefully.